2, 3, funky.
In today's video, welcome to Life with the Rylanders, the new family channel name, but the channel is old. We're going to install this gate. I'm going to show you how I struggled to install this gate. It's pretty easy, but I'm not like a tools type of gal, but I did install this gate by myself with the right tools, and they sent the proper tools. I also forgot to tell y'all that when you see the rest of the video, they saw the extra pair of tools, not tools, but screws and the hinges. So if you lose something, then they send 2 pairs of the things that you need. So you will not be without. And here are the instructions, which I'm going to tell you all this in the video, but I'm just telling you at the beginning again. So here come all the instructions. Make sure that you check and make sure you have everything you need before you start. Make sure that the gate fits where you want it to go. Most times it's going to fit the stairs, like stuff like that. It's going to fit it, so you should be good to go. Anyways, you guys, enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. Oh, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will be trying to do a weekly vlog on this channel for our family. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP. Right, Charlie? Charlie Barley! So in today's video, we are going to install this gate. I'm going to put it on my stairs, so my dog cannot come up the stairs all the time. Okay, so I received this gate from Amazon. The store is called Hoomall store, and the price of this gate is $39. So we're going to install this and see if it's a good gate. I have a medium-sized dog, so I don't think he can jump over it, even because, most importantly, because it's from the stairs. So it come in a plastic, it come in a box, and it come in that plastic, the white foam, and then it comes with the instructions, and it comes with the screws. So I'm probably gonna need a, we'll see. I'm probably gonna need a what you call it, a screwdriver. Before we install the gate, I want to make sure that it's going to fit all across the wall. And it fits. I'm going to put it on top of these things. Let's see. I stretched it all the way out. Runs into my wall. I'm going to show you guys. So it fits against my wall like it should. And we're going to go ahead and install it. And I'm going to bring my dog in and see if he can jump over it or not. Which I don't think he can because, you know, it's from the stairs. So if he jumped from the stairs over there, we have a whole issue. He ain't that big, but you know. Let's get into it. So before I start, I like to make sure that I check and make sure that I have every screw because I have put things together before and I was missing a few items. So it says on the instructions that it should have 2 of the little hinges. We have 2 hinges. We should have 1 latch. We have 1 latch. We should have the 2 other latches. We have 2 of those. We should have 8 screws. 4, 8. So you have these right here and these that's laying down. We should have 3 replacement pins. So we have 3 with the 3 washers. So it looks like we have everything we need to put the gate together. And the gate already comes with the little hook right here. So let's look at the instructions and see how to put this on. So it says we need to install the hinges to the gate, which would be the opposite side of the gate where the hook is not on. So let's do that first. So if you notice on the gate, it comes with 4, well, this has 3 holes already like set. They are pre-drilled holes or pre-punctured holes. I'm sure we're gonna need 4 on the other side, but it comes with 3. So we're gonna open this up. Let's make sure you put it on the right way, because I don't want to start putting this on and let's see. You gotta make sure you're putting everything on properly before you put it on. You don't want to have to take it off and redo it again. I'm gonna say we need to put it this way so it can go on the wall to hold. So let's screw that in. Okay, so that one doesn't have a hole. I'm going to have to drill that in later. The next thing we're going to do is install the hinges on the other side. So we're going to take those. And it also has a pre-drill hole. I don't know if y'all can see that. And we're just going to hook it in. We're just going to screw it in with the screw. Real simple. So what I have to do is, I tried to screw it in with my hand, but I can't. take the drill gun. I'm going to first set where I want my gate to go. Right here. I'm going to take my screw, put it in where I want it. I already have a pre-hole when I was trying to screw it in by hand. Unfortunately, and it's in there. I don't know what. I'm gonna take my drill gun. All right, and that's it. Okay, so then you got your hooks that you want to put in the other side. These you can just screw in. I'm going to stretch it out. See, it's even better. I had it on the outside of the wall, but I put it on the inside, right? Well, this is going to come out this way because my my stairs have this little thing right here. So let's take the hook out. That's a little weird. I took the dropped the paper. I ain't going down there and get that stuff. Okay, so you see, like on here, if you could see how the hook goes, and we're just gonna put this in where it can reach, it could come out and go in there, right? So I'm going to pre-drill a hole. I want it right here. And we have it on there. It's steady, sturdy. This is not so much, but that can be fixed when my husband get home. But it looks pretty easy and pretty steady. Yeah, I don't think he's gonna be able to go jump over that. So let's get him and see what he does. Charlie. See how big he is? Just a big dog. So what I had to do was get a regular screw and screw it in. Now I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to take the screw that it came with, the hook, and then screw it in there so it could be steady, sturdy. I want to hold it. Now it won't be too tight because this screw is bigger than what it came with, but it'll stay in there. So when I close my gate, well, it won't come out. It's still a twist, but boom. This is how it's looking. You see the previous hole I did, which was a mistake. which should be filled in with putty. But now it's steady on this side and this side. All I gotta do is do the bottom part, and he's sitting right here doing nothing with his life. What you happy for, Charlie? What's going on, Charlie Bullet? I am the only one he listens to, by the way. Go down. Kennel. Kennel. That's what I gotta say to make him leave. Come on. Charlie. He see the gate. Charlie! Wait, mommy letting you in. Yeah, so he won't jump over there. It's so great. Great job, Charlie. Give me 5. This is the end of this video. And I'm liking this gate. We're going to keep it up for when he cannot come upstairs, which is usually when he been outside and it's raining. He can't bring his nasty fur on my carpet, which needs some Jesus right now. But we're going to take care of that in a minute. So, if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, then you already know that you are the real MVP.